Alright guys, we are at a familiar location today. Again, I do apologize, I have a bag on my back, so this could be a little bit of a buggy situation, but we are here at 1 and 2 Executive Drive, and we're going to go ahead and ride the Dover elevators due to me having an excessive amount of time here, so here we go. Let's see, does the Dover glitch work? Nope, doesn't work. As you can see, a couple of changes on this thing. Obviously this is Dover. Let's demonstrate the door bumpers. And let's go up to 6. And let's listen. I love these motors. So this is a 3,500 pound capacity. So there's your ADA compliant phone. The door is actually no longer there. Again, just your pretty basic Dover impulse, nothing too exciting or fancy. Oh, okay. Alright, Dover. Oh, so this is the main control panel, and that is the second control panel. This is a Dover. I love the motor on this one and the other one too. I want to see how the other one is running. But we're going to get some shots of the parking deck on the 6th floor. So we're going to take this up one more time. Door close button works, and here we go. Oh, I absolutely love the motor on these things. Just ring the bell. So it'll just keep chiming. So there that goes. Now, I want to show you guys. I have this here. So over here is Interstate 95. Over there is the Holiday Inn in Fort Lee. Out there is New Jersey Interstate I-95. Out there you can see some apartment buildings. You can also see the beautiful sunset right over there. Wow, that is one nice hell of a sunset. Down and there again, I do apologize about my zooming. I don't think you can see the Teaneck Marriott, but you can see a couple of apartment buildings. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to see the Teaneck Marriott. I'm not sure what that is all the way out there, but that could be something. That's something all the way out there. Oh, that's a water tower all the way out there. Okay. So we'll zoom back out again, and again you can see the Holiday Inn. You can also see the sign for the Best Western in Fort Lee. You can also see it looks to be an old Hess station, which used to be which is now a Speedway, obviously with the Hess and Speedway merger. But anyways, guys, there's a lot to see here. That's 2 Executive Drive, and we're going to go ahead and take a walk over to the other elevator here. Due to the fact I do have a lot of time here and I wanted to explore this parking deck a little bit. That over there used to be 1 Executive Drive. It has now been turned into a apartment complex building, and as you can see, nobody really uses this, but I think right here is where we are about to get the best, and I mean one of the best views off the parking deck. You can see the beautiful sunset as well, and you can see the sun is setting, so, but I mean this right here, this is absolutely beautiful. So again, you can clearly see Interstate I-95, those apartment buildings, and obviously you can see the traffic on Interstate 95. The Welcome to New Jersey sign. You can see the Governor Phil Murphy sign and Lieutenant Governor Sheila Oliver, which I don't want to get into politics here, but I figured that'd be interesting. Over here we have a new hotel, and it looks to be a double tree that's being built. I mean, the double tree, which is Schindler 400A, nothing too special or fancy. I'm not sure what this hotel is going to be, but this used to be some other hotel. And then down here we have a Luke Oil gas station and some more apartment buildings, and of course the 2 most tallest apartment buildings in Bergen County, which have Otis compasses. No, I'm not visiting them today. I do not have a car. So We're not visiting them today. So we're slowly walking over to the other elevator, and then of course I gotta kind of move because I have to get home and stuff, and I want to upload this footage for you guys. So, but I'm trying to go as nice and pristine and clean. Since the fact I have extra time here, I figured I'd use it in a proper and appropriate way. I didn't feel like staying in the office building. I honestly just didn't feel like staying in the office building. There was a guard there, and honestly, those elevators weren't worth it. These things are so much more worth my time in filming, because honestly, you don't really see Dover impulses that much, and many of them, sadly, are getting modernized. So that's the kind of the sad part as well. But I know this is a bit of a long walk. We're not going into that apartment building, actually. We're going to go right into here, and then I'm going to turn around, go back to the other section of the parking deck, and then end the video. So there's a little bit of an exploring. I figured that you could get some great shots up here, and finally I made it back here almost a year later. So we're going right into here to obviously ride the other elevator at the deck. And this over here used to be One Executive Drive, but that building was knocked down and replaced with an apartment building. So let's take a ride on the next Dover elevator. It's hot in here. We have to wait a while. The last time I was here, this thing was a little bit low on oil, so hopefully that won't be the case today. Here's your chime. Wow, no fan on this one either. Ooh, it's a big drop. Let's go on an L. Button's still beaten up. 3,500 pound capacity. Just your basic Dover impulse. Very retro 90s. I really like this thing a lot. Obviously in here, there's your ADA compliant phone. Bell. Oh, this thing is still having that oil problem. Damn, that really stinks. Again, it's a 3,500 pound capacity. Yeah, this is definitely low on hydraulic fluid. It had the same problem when I filmed it last year. It takes forever to level. We'll demonstrate the bumpers on the 7th floor. Jeez, wow, that takes forever to level. For a second. We're gonna take one more ride. Might get it, guys, my apologies. Oh, it looks like I'm a little bit low on time here. Hold on, let me just do something for 1 second. Now I'm actually running a little bit low on time. So I gotta kind of move here. We're gonna go back up to 7, and then unfortunately I do have to end this little video clip or whatever. I'm gonna just move quickly. Jesus, this thing takes forever. It takes forever to level. Unfortunately, we do not have time for a third ride, and I would love to take a third ride. We're going to just quickly demonstrate the bumpers because I know you guys love to see these. Okay, so there it is. So there it goes. And unfortunately, I am gonna have to kind of run here because my mom is out. Unfortunately, because I do need to get going. I would love to show you guys more, but I think you guys pretty much saw everything that you needed to see. So I gotta kind of just run here. I know this isn't the best position, but I think you guys pretty much saw what needed to be seen. So I have to kind of get going. I don't like running, but it is kind of late and I do need to get home because I have stuff to do when I get home. So I do apologize for the shakiness of the camera, but I'm in a little bit of a rush now. So, but it was nice to see the views and stuff, and it is getting a little bit late, and unfortunately, so I kind of had to just run the whole deck. And I don't like running the whole deck, but what's it called? I gotta kind of start making time here, unfortunately. I really like these things. I do. Great, now this thing has to come all the way up. Alright, let's get out of L. Get one last cab view. Alright. Oh, jeez. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I really wonder if they're going to modernize these things. They certainly could use an upgrade, but I would hate to see these motors go. Honestly, they're both, like, awesome. But I guess if they do need to modernize it, then I guess it is necessary. Anyways, guys, I gotta kind of wrap it up here now. Come on, come on. I know, I'm gonna rush now, so that's why. There it goes, and that's it.